Second thing is, we are proposing, all of us are proposing in the expert committee, they have decided, they have requested, which will put up the file to the government for consideration, is that there should be action taken against hotels and other things who do not ensure that masks and other things are put by the people in gathering. We want business to continue. Economic activity must continue. Same time, if that hotel wants business, then they must ensure that their guests wear masks, social distancing is maintained, and have functions where they can maintain social distancing. These events which are there, you are not able to maintain social distancing, you are not able to ensure that masks and all are properly put, then don't have the event. Question is that there will be cross mixing between the people of the state of Goa and people coming from outside, and there is a possibility, I would like to share with you, of a spike in the month of January. I would like to alert everybody, it is not a question of only doing business, it is also a question of the safety of the people of the state of Goa. And it's very important to the media that this message goes to the people that wear your mask and wear it properly, or don't wear a mask. Why do you want to put the life of the doctors at risk? Why do you want to put the load on the health infrastructure of the state? Why do you want to infect the health worker? They are working day and night without thinking about anything, putting their lives at risk, putting their families at risk. And we people of the state of Goa must respect the health community and the health doctors, because they are doing such great service to the people of the state of Goa. And through your medium, I am appealing on 2021, today is the 2nd. We thought we'll have a first meeting now because we had Zilla Parishad polls and other things. We were also preoccupied. There were so many things happening in that period. Is that we all have to have self-realization. Government can bring any type of SOPs. But if citizens do not cooperate, then there will be no use of all these SOPs. Globally, if you see, people have changed their lifestyle. There are curfews at different points of time, but curfew itself is not going to help. You look at the beaches, you see that people are not wearing a single mask. What is going to happen? People will end up bringing about a spike in the state of Goa, which will once again create a problem for the state. And also, I casually, me and Chief Minister always discuss, ultimately both of us can discuss, decide, do any kind of SOPs, but if we do not get cooperation from the tourists coming into the state of Goa, tourists should realize they are coming here to enjoy, but also somebody has to implement strict SOPs for these people. हांव पयर एअरपोर्टाचेर आयला, एअरपोर्टाचेर हांव मुंबय आशिल्लो, एअरपोर्टाचेर पळयल्यार 60% लोक मास्कूच घालिना, 40% लोक मास्क घालता, आनी ते 40तले 20% लोक सारखे मास्क घालता आनी बाकीचे लोक नाका सकयल मास्क घालता. नाका सकयल मास्क कित्याक घालूंक जाय? घालूच नाका न्ही मास्क. तुम्ही जर खंयचे तरी भायर सरतात तेन्ना तुमकां जर दिसता की काळजी लोकांची आमी एकमेकाची घेवंक जाय, तर हे सगळे SOPs आमकां वेगळ्या तरेन इम्प्लिमेंट करपाची गरज आहा. म्हाका तरी दिसता, आय एटलीस्ट फील that we need to be very cautious as a state. We are a very good state. The Chief Minister and me constantly discuss, and I have also brought it to the knowledge of Chief Minister that however many SOPs, even yesterday I think there was somebody asked something, but question is not that. Question is that we want the people of Goa to be safe. We want business activity to continue. We want that tourism should sustain. And same time, we want people coming into the state of Goa to understand that there is an element of caution they should have when they come into the state of Goa, that Goa is not a banana republic. They have to ensure that they wear a mask, they do social distancing, and hotels that are having events and these nightclubs, I will have to really recommend strict action against them if they do not follow the SOPs brought down by the government of Goa and government of India. Reason is that if we are lenient, that does not mean that you are free to do anything what you want. Leniency means that to judiciously use that leniency in a proper way. We are not a police state. We are a state that wants business to thrive, but then these hoteliers and all these people, it's not only one hotel, it is multiple locations where these parties happen. Can happen in your house also. If there are 10 people who gather and they don't do social distancing and don't wear a mask, you don't know where those 10 people are coming from. You don't know who's working in their house. You must also ensure that a maid servant coming into your house must wear a mask. You must ensure, because many of them come through small hutments, small slums from where they come. That's the only way you can fight COVID-19.
साडी शॉपिंग करपाक आता बेळगांव वचपाची गरज ना. पणजीतल्या बॉम्बे बाजारात तुमका दर्जेदार प्रकारच्या साड्यो खरेदी करपाक मेळटा. नवीन व्हंकलेक नववारी असो किंवा उत्तर भारतीय लेहंगा, सिल्क साडी किंवा कॉटन साडी, तुमची पसंत आणि आमचे कलेक्शन. साडी स्वतः खातीर खरेदी करा किंवा गिफ्ट करा. बॉम्बे बाजार, 18 रिंग रोड, पणजी.